Sometimes a book comes into our lives when we aren't ready for it, and its message goes right over our heads. This is what happened the first time I tried to read number 2 on this list, as well as the second and third times. It wasn't until the fourth time, after my life took a turn, that I realized its wisdom. I read the following 7 books at least once a year to keep alive my purpose and to remind me of what is essential for living well in a chaotic world. Number 1. The Intelligent Investor. One in particular that I think is worth mentioning is Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. The author who wrote this book is Ben Graham, also known as the father of value investing. This book was published by Harper Business in 1949. Benjamin Graham is the father of value investing and the creator of the book The Intelligent Investor. It is a complete guide to understanding stocks and shares. He shares his knowledge on various topics, such as how to think about stocks and shares, how to avoid common mistakes, and much more. The topics covered in this book are highly relevant to any investor who wants to make a good return on their money. There are 10 chapters in The Intelligent Investor, each with their own section of knowledge, such as what to look for in a company, investment, you're interested in investing. The Intelligent Investor is an essential book for most people who are interested in financial stability. Since its publication, it has been called the Bible of investing. The book discusses matters such as how investors can minimize risk, the importance of preserving capital, and the difference between investment forecasting and market timing. It's a concise and straightforward, yet comprehensive guide to investing with a lot of charts and case studies. Any investor can learn from reading this book and get an edge over the market. The Intelligent Investor is not an easy read. It's not supposed to be. The book was written for people who are serious about changing their financial future. Unlike other finance books that focus on the short term, this book teaches readers how to invest for long-term goals like retirement and college savings. Number 2. The Millionaire Next Door. The Surprising Secrets of America's Wealthy. The Millionaire Next Door is a personal finance book written by Thomas J. Stanley, Ph.D., and William D. Danko, Ph.D., which was first published in 1996. The Millionaire Next Door is a book that offers an insight into the lives of people with vast wealth, primarily in America. Stanley and Danko reveal that many millionaires live lives of frugality and live well below their means. The book also explores the relationship between family dynamics and achieving financial success. Frugality is a word that has been used for centuries. One definition from the 1830s describes it as a sparingness in expenditure, as opposed to prodigality. In other words, frugality is living well below your means. Stanley and Danko's new book explores the relationship between family dynamics and achieving financial success. They reveal that many millionaires live lives of frugality and delayed gratification, which is the key to their financial well-being. The best-selling The Millionaire Next Door highlights 7 attributes that often show up among those with a high net worth. The truly wealthy in this country do not live on famous locations, such as Beverly Hills, but rather nearby in neighborhoods just like yours. Number 3. Trillions. How a band of Wall Street renegades invented the index fund and changed finance forever. In this book, author and journalist Louise tells the history of how a group of Wall Street outsiders created the index fund and forever changed the way we invest our money. He explores in detail how these men and women, among them economist Eugene Fama, mathematician Harry Markowitz, and businessman Jack Bogle, created what is now one of the most popular financial products in the world. He explores in detail how these men and women, among them economist and businessman Jack Bogle, created what is now one of the most popular financial products. You will learn about their motivation, their thoughts on risk, and how they influenced investing over the last decades. From one of the Financial Times' most influential writers, read the incredible true story of how geeks defied conventional wisdom to launch the index fund revolution. They democratized investing and saved hundreds of millions that would have otherwise lined fat cats' pockets. Number 4. Safe Haven. Investing for Financial Storms. Investing in a safe haven can help you weather the financial storms of life. If you invest your money wisely, it can protect against losses from market fluctuations or economic downturns. This book will explore how to invest in a safe haven that will be beneficial to your portfolio. Storms come without warning, but they can be prepared for. Safe Haven. Investing for Financial Storms teaches readers how to protect their investments against life's storms by understanding how insurance works and finding the right coverage. Learn about property and casualty insurance, life insurance, health insurance, renters and homeowners policies, retirement planning, and more. In this book, author Mel Abraham provides readers with insightful and actionable information about various types of insurance and how it can be used to protect their investments. Throughout the book, Abraham shares her decades of experience in finance and insurance to help readers make informed decisions when purchasing or researching coverage. This book is about making good decisions. I am not giving you the one-size-fits-all answer. I'm giving you the best answer for you. Number 5. Secrets of the Millionaire Mind: Mastering the Inner Game of Wealth. In this book, author T. Harv Eker shares his story of going from being broke and having nothing to being a millionaire many times over. He believes that the key to wealth is the way you think about money. The more you can change your beliefs about money, the faster you will be able to accumulate wealth. He worked as a door-to-door salesman and part-time fitness instructor for years before he found his true calling as an entrepreneur. After teaching himself about money and personal development, Harv was able to overcome his limiting beliefs and live the life of his dreams. It is a book that explores how our thoughts and beliefs can shape our financial destiny. It teaches you how to understand and work with the law of attraction so that you can create prosperity in your life. This book is a must-read for anyone who has ever had a burning desire to be wealthy and successful. The author, T. Harv Eker, shares stories and insights from the millionaires he interviewed, revealing the secrets of their success. A significant amount of research has been done on how people with money think differently than those without. The research points to some startling conclusions, including that the wealthy are more likely to believe in themselves and take risks. Number 6. The Simple Path to Wealth: Your Roadmap to Financial Independence and a Rich, Free Life. Bestseller author Jim Rohn said, "We are all born with certain gifts. The most successful people in life are those who recognize what they do well and then turn that talent into an economic commodity." This is the premise of J.L. Collins' best-selling book, The Simple Path to Wealth. This teaches readers how to maximize their income and minimize their expenses in order to achieve the goal of financial independence. This book is a simple, straightforward guide to help you reach financial independence and a rich, free life. It has helped thousands of people create the lives they want and become financially independent. It was written by J.L. Collins, who has been studying the principles of wealth accumulation for over 3 decades. Some people are, by nature, talented at certain things. This can be anything from playing an instrument to drawing. They should use that skill to earn a living off of it, because their talent will not be appreciated unless it is turned into something that can generate income. Financial independence is not just about the money you need to earn, but also about living a life that is rich with experiences. This book will provide an outline of what you need to know, what your options are, and how to make it happen. If you're tired of the rat race, there's only one effective solution: financial independence. This landmark book will show you exactly how to achieve that goal. It's not an easy path, and it requires sacrifice and discipline, but it'll be worth it. Number 7. Measure What Matters: How Google, Bono, and the Gates Foundation Rocked the World with OKR. John Doerr, a legendary venture capitalist, reveals how the Objective Key Results, or OKR system, has allowed successful companies to revolutionize how they operate. OKRs has helped tech giants from Intel to Google achieve explosive growth, and how it can help any organization thrive. This book is about the OKR system, which stands for Objectives and Key Results. OKR are a set of objectives that define what you want to accomplish, and the specific measurable results that will demonstrate whether or not you achieve those goals. The idea of Measure What Matters is to measure what really matters for the organization. This measurement should be the one that will make a difference in achieving the organization's mission. Measure What Matters is not about measuring everything. It's about focusing on the things that really matter. OKR have become a popular management practice, and for good reason. They help teams measure what matters with a shared purpose. The best way to achieve success is by setting goals. OKRs, objectives, and key results help you measure what matters to your team. This book covers the science of OKR, how to create them, and how they can take your company to the next level. It also provides examples of how Google, Bono, and the Gates Foundation use OKR to rock their world. Every company and team needs a specific and measurable goal to work towards. Objectives and Key Results (OKRs) is a goal-setting system that has been used by tech giants such as Intel, Google, and more to achieve explosive growth. I hope you found today's video on 7 life-changing books to read in 2022 informative. If you are inspired by this content, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Until then, continue to grow wealth and happiness.